These are the stairs. This is Selena by the stairs.
Eating a cheese baby.
This is the messy living room. Babe, I'm gonna take a tour of my room, okay? This is the kitchen. This is our kitchen. That's the stove where we cook our food. The dirty sink. The refrigerator. Oh look, a can of tuna. This is Selena. This is my messy living room. This is the TV. This is me and my mom's room. This is her room. Can't see it, but it's dark. And we're on our way to the bathroom. This is the bathroom. The dirty sink. Dirty clothes on the floor. Damn, Selena, you stunk up my bathroom, man.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. Stink and smelling good don't mix at all.
Change that.